Okay, does that make sense for everyone? Are we all? You don't take this very seriously. It's hugely important, hugely valuable, and it's not serious. It's about the same as, how many had breakfast today?
I have.
Did you like, oh, I'm so great because I had breakfast. Let me tell you about my breakfast. I had this shake, and I had a banana, and I had some toast, and it was the greatest thing. I'm just so great. You don't do that. Well, it's the same with meditation. Oh, I meditated today. I'm so impressive because I did meditation. You don't do that. You do it, and then you get on with your day. So now, here's what we're going to do. I'd like you all, most importantly, sit up in your chairs so your back's straight up and down. The main reason for that is because if you fall asleep, I don't want you to tip over. So have your back straight up and down, and if you do happen to fall asleep, you'll kind of come forward this way. But I want you to select. You've got that paper that has a few words on it. Select one of those or something else that feels nice for you. It doesn't make any difference at all. And then after about 30 seconds we'll close our eyes, turn the lights out. After about 30 seconds, then just start repeating that word and just let it kind of like 1, 1. And as your mind wanders, oh yeah, 1, 1. Do not try hard. You just allow that word to happen. Okay? And then at some point I will say take about 2 minutes to slowly return. And then at that point no more 1. Okay. And then you just kind of bring yourself slowly back, and then we'll finish with a couple things.
When you're doing this on your own, how do you know when to bring yourself back?
Yeah, it's okay. There's not any problem with quickly checking out the clock. You just kind of, okay. There's no harm in that. I used to have a little alarmy thing. I think with the phones now, with the smartphones, you can, if you want to have some Tibetan bells or something going in 15 minutes and have them, that would wake you. Whatever you want to use. After a while, you just kind of figure, you have a feel for,
when you're done.
Yeah, if you think, okay, I'm not feeling so well today, I'll probably do it for 20 minutes, or I only have 10 minutes. You have a pretty good feel for that as you do it. The other thing is, if you've got an itch, take care of it. Don't think, oh, I can't, I'm going to disappear this with my brain and my thought power. No big deal. Okay? Don't make a big deal out of any of this, and just allow it to happen.
With the itch thing, what I found is if I want to itch something, I become conscious of me doing that. Like I think about okay, I'm going to itch that, and then I itch it. I know it just kind of keeps me in that mode.
But then after you take care of it, it's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
It's great. Fabulous.
There you go. Okay, so we're going to turn the lights out, and
Can we sit against the wall?
you want to sit on the floor? Feel free. Any other questions? So enjoy this. Remember your single intent.